Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send a song or a message to somebody you love, or if it's an ex or something that you still like and you haven't moved on yet, which is not me, obviously. But if you want to send them a message and you just want to say it to them but not directly, just go to sendthesong.xyz, go to share your message and create message. Enter the recipient's name. I'm just going to type like random because I'm not going to obviously write my feelings on YouTube, but message. I miss you, Queen, King, Slay. There. That's my message. Search for a song. You can search any songs. I'm just going to type Joji. Glimpse of us. I don't know. And then you're going to press submit. Obviously, I'm not going to because that's like a slow message. I will write one or two or three. But I don't know. Maybe they'll see it, maybe they won't. But yeah, that is it. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.